Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. All-in-One. In today's video, I will show you how to easily add some bright lighting to your garage or shop with some Smart Electrician LED shop lights from Menards. So at Menards, they sell a wide variety of shop lights like this with different brightness levels. The ones I'll be installing today range from 4,000 lumens to 7,000 lumens, which is plenty bright enough for me. And the cost of these lights is very reasonable. I was able to get these on sale for right around $13 each. And just for a quick comparison, here's a look at some old fluorescent lighting that was in my garage. And as you can see here, the light output is not very good. But after installing the new LED shop lights, the light output has increased drastically, showing just how old and dusty my garage is. So these lights each have their own 5-foot 2-prong power cord that can directly link up with additional units if desired, along with an on-off pull chain to easily turn each light off, so no light switch is necessary, but you may need a chain extension to reach the light from the ground. But if you want to control the lights with a switch, you can hook up a light switch to the outlet that powers the lights, or you can use an extension cord to plug the lights into a surge protector mounted on the wall to turn the lights off and on. Before linking multiple lights together, you'll want to read the instructions first to determine what's allowed. Mine have a maximum total of 30,000 lumens that can be connected on one string. So for example, if your lights have a rating of 4,000 lumens, you can plug in up to 7 lights in one string, which will give you a total of 28,000 lumens. To hang the lights, they each come with a bag of hardware that gives you multiple ways to mount them. For a flush mount to a drywall ceiling, you can use screws and plastic anchors. Or for something more universal, you can use hooks and chains to mount the lights to something solid, such as the bottom of a roof truss. Now I will begin installing the lights. My original plan was to mount the chains to the bottom of the trusses, but since I just happen to have a stringer board located right here that runs the length of my garage, I will use this instead. So right here I'm drilling a 1/8 of an inch hole for the hook to screw into. Now the hook can be screwed in place until the threads disappear. Then the chain can be placed on the hook and cut to the desired length. Then an S-hook can be placed on the end of the chain. Now I can measure from this chain's location approximately 43.75 inches away and make a mark. Then install another hook and chain for the opposite side of the light. And once both of the chains are in place, I can then use these S-hooks to secure the light. And here's a look at the light after being installed. Now I just need to space the next light approximately 5 feet away from this one and repeat the same process. And to secure the cords going between each light fixture, you can use some plastic wire staples like these. And once all the lights in the string are installed, you can then plug them into an outlet, which may require an extension cord. With my setup, I used an extension cord to reach a surge protector on my wall, and now I can just use the switch on this to turn the lights off and on. But eventually, I do have some plans to install an outlet on the ceiling for the lights to plug into that will be controlled by a light switch on the wall. So here is my overall thoughts about these lights. I've had these installed for about 4 months now, and they seem to be working great, even in freezing temperatures. The light output is really good and far brighter than what I had before, which makes me wonder why I didn't do this sooner. And these lights are also pretty simple to install. I was able to install all of these in about 1 hour, and the total cost for all this was less than $100, which is very reasonable. Okay, it's now time for me to go. If you liked this video, if you could hit that like button and please subscribe. And have yourself a great day, and I'll see you next time.